So why aren't you the investor or even the owner? Yes, you. Every day you see real estate deals happening all around you, whether it's someone flipping a house, buying an apartment building, or acquiring a strip mall. You hear about people building portfolios, generational wealth, and collecting rent checks and making money in their sleep. You might even know someone who owns rental properties. Maybe they're not a genius, but just an average person. But why aren't you doing it? I mean, think about it. You go to work every day, you drive past several apartment buildings, office spaces, shopping centers, and maybe you've even caught yourself wondering, what if I own that? What would my cash flow be if I were the landlord or even the owner? And how could this speed up my retirement or give me freedom to quit my day job? But here's the problem. Most people stay stuck in the what if phase. They assume real estate is for the rich, that they don't have enough knowledge or even that it's too risky. Yet right now, someone less qualified than you is buying property and owns rentals. Someone with less experience, less money, and even fewer resources. And in a few years, they'll be collecting rent while you're still at work wondering how to start. Why? Well, because they took the first step. The only difference between them and you is that they got access to the right knowledge and they used it. So let's discuss the three biggest myths that hold people back from investing in real estate. The first one, you need a ton of money to start. Actually, no, you don't. The right deal will attract financing partners or creative structuring options. You just need to know how to find it. Two, you need perfect credit. False. There are multiple financing strategies from seller financing to partnerships that don't require you to walk into a bank with a perfect score at all. And three, I don't know where to start. And that's exactly why I wrote Real Estate Unfiltered, to break this process down step by step so you don't waste years figuring out by yourself. And if you're waiting for the perfect time, well, here you are. The time is now. So I put everything into this book, The Real Estate Unfiltered. It's a no-nonsense, no BS, straight-to-the-point guide for getting started in real estate investing without the fluff, without the theory, and without the nonsense. This book gives you real, actionable strategies to one, find listings with brokers and agents before they get mass marketed. Two, analyze deals like a pro, even if you're bad at math. And avoiding the common traps that cost new investors thousands. Financing your first deal, even if you don't have a pile of cash. Think about it. There are ways to do everything, and I'm here to help you do that. The biggest difference between someone who owns investment property and someone who just dreams about it, knowledge. This book is your shortcut to experience. Okay, so let's get to the point. Most real estate advice is either basic or too broad or even too complicated. Now, this book is exactly what I wish I had known when I was starting. I'm a broker and an investor, and I'm going to show you how to do several things here. One, how to instantly recognize a good or a bad deal. How to calculate cash flow, ROI, and cap rates without overcomplicating it, and how to fund your first deal even without using your own money. And lastly, how to structure deals creatively when banks say no. So you don't need to memorize 1,000 formulas or become a real estate guru or buy 1,000 books and courses. You just need a framework to get started, and that's exactly what this book gives you. So let's say you come across a multifamily property for sale. You like the location, but you don't know if it's a good investment. Most people guess, but you won't, because in this book, Real Estate Unfiltered, I walk you through exactly how to break down the numbers in under 5 minutes, how to estimate rents, expenses, and cash flow with confidence, how to decide if this property will make you money or just give you a headache. Or maybe you've been eyeing a larger multifamily but don't know how to analyze it. No problem, turn to page 48 and follow the exact steps to use to evaluate deals. Or maybe you're thinking about flipping a property but don't know how to calculate renovation costs. I got that too, broken down step by step. This isn't theory, this is real knowledge, real numbers, and real strategies that you can apply and use today. So here's the deal. This book is your first step. You can keep watching videos, which is cool with me, but in reality, you can keep Googling random advice or stay stuck in analysis paralysis, or you can buy this book, download it right now, and actually start making moves. Click the link below, grab your copy, and let's get started. I've made mistakes. Everyone has made mistakes that cost you money. So this book is here so you don't have to do that. Now it's up to you to take action. So no fluff, no gimmicks, just real actionable real estate knowledge that can change your financial future and generate that generational wealth. But the only question is, and it will always be, are you going to stay on the sidelines? Or are you finally going to get started investing?